Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kenny Jowden, and today I want to show you how to download Zawadi Games version 1.29. It's a new release by Kenny Kimeu, and let's go straight into it. So what you do, just open your browser, search in zawadigames.com, let it load. And it's quite simple, not as complex as the previous versions. Sorry about the delay, my internet is slow a bit. So yeah, once you get to this window, you will just find a clickable link here. Here is the download link. It's free. This is a free game. Don't pay for it. But very soon, you're going to start buying it. It's a big game, I promise you guys. So there are in-app purchases. So what you do, just click here and you'll be redirected to Google Drive. The reason we did this is because the previous versions zilikuwa ngumu kidogo. So yeah, once you're here, there are two folders and then there are install notes. So what you do, just click on the first folder, which is the directory. Right click on it. Sorry for the delay I'm getting. Right click on it, then get this window, then click on download. Okay, then open the installation files. Sorry for that. Don't know why my PC is slow. Yeah, you'll get these 6 files. So one step, you can choose to download it every file individually. They are not big files, around 600 MBs. Then again, once you do that, just the same process, right click on it, then download for each file. Or if you have a zip extractor like WinRAR, you just do this. Then what you do is click on download. It will zip the files together, then start downloading for you. Then you can choose to open this, install notes and read through, and you're good to go. Once you download, I'll make another tutorial for how to install. So guys, that's it for today. See you on the part 2 of how to download and install Zawadi Games. It's Afro Simulator, Mat3 Simulator, just 3 games in one. Okay, see you next time.